Recently, a viewer asked how to remove a drill bit on an old style drill. Luckily, I still had this one in my garage that I can demonstrate on. Keyless chucks didn't exist back when I bought this, but changing out bits on this perfectly functioning drill is easy. You'll need a chuck key like this. The original one was lost, and I can tell that this is a replacement part with 3 different sizes, but if you still have yours, it's usually attached to the power cord. To remove a bit, insert the key into a hole on the side of the chuck. Then turn counterclockwise. Now I can select the drill bit I want, and use the key again to tighten it up. As you saw, the chuck can be adjusted by hand once it's loosened. I'll list the key in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.